Hello dear children, this is Alok sir. In this video, I will explain the way of writing chemical formula. There are three important points you have to remember for writing the chemical formula. These points are the three important points to be remembered while writing the chemical formula. The points are: symbols of positive and negative ions are written and their charges is written on the top right corner of the symbol. This is point 1. Second, common factor, if any, is removed in the charges of the two ions. And third point is, charges of the two ions are crisscrossed. These numbers are written at the bottom right of the symbols of the two ions, and doing this you will get the chemical formula. Now it will be more clear by citing some example. Let us see. Now let us make it more clear by citing some example. Example 1. The formula of sodium oxide. Following the points, step 1 is write the symbol of sodium and oxide ions with their charges, that is sodium Na plus, oxide O2 minus. Now we will write the symbols with their charges, that is sodium Na and O2 minus, sodium Na plus, O2 minus. Second step, remove common terms or common factor if any. Here is no any common factor. This is number 1 and here is 2, so no common factor. So there is no common factor. Now step 3, crisscross the charges, that is charges of Na, that is plus 1, will become bottom right of O2 and charge of O2 will come bottom right of Na. So this will become Na2 and O1. Here is number 1 plus or plus 1 is the same thing. So number 1 will come with O2, that is bottom right of O2, and 2 will come bottom right of N2. So this becomes N2O1, or we will not write 1, so we will write Na2O. This is the formula of sodium oxide. Sorry, the chemical formula of sodium oxide is Na2. Next example, the formula of aluminium sulfate. Following the steps, write the symbols of aluminium and sulfates ion along with their charges. You have already learned that charges, ions in previous table. So Al3 plus, SO4 2 minus. Second step, remove common terms if any. There is no common term. Now crisscross the charges, that is 3 will come at bottom right of SO4 and 2 will come at bottom right of Al. Crisscross the charges. Now it will become Al2 SO4 3. Here we crisscross, that is 3 will come at bottom right of SO4 and 2 will come at bottom right of Al, and the formula becomes Al2 SO3. I will take one more example, the formula of calcium carbonate. How we will write the formula of calcium carbonate? Following the steps, write the symbols. In step 1, write the symbols of calcium and carbonate ions with their charges. Calcium ion Ca2 plus, carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. Second step, remove the common terms. Here 2 is the common term. Number 2 is the common term, so we will remove 2 from both sides. Now we will write Ca plus and CO3 minus. Step 3, crisscross the charges, that is Ca plus 1 will come at bottom right of CO3, CO3 minus 1 will come at bottom right of Ca, that is Ca1 CO3 1. Now we will remove 1 and we will write CaCO3. So this is the formula of calcium carbonate. So with the help of these examples, you clearly understood that how to write chemical formula of a compound. But to write the chemical formula of compound, you must remember the symbols and charges of the ions. So watch the video again and again if there is any confusion, and stay tuned for more videos.